Are you also having a retail store business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate product inquiry for retail stores on WhatsApp. For example, you have a retail store and you got many inquiries from your users regarding the product. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will reply to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate product inquiry for retail stores via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users instantly by sending a message in my WhatsApp business account of retail store. Here I am sending my first message as product inquiry. Immediately you can see the bot will reply to me like this, that welcome to Spark Retail Store. How can I assist you with product inquiries today, while providing me two quick options, that is browse products and the pricing details. Let's say I select this browse products. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that please select the product category, including one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me two categories, that is electronics and the clothing. Here I am going with electronics. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that here are the electronic products details. Which one would you like to order? While again providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me two electronics product, that is smartphone and the laptop. Here I am selecting this laptop. Next, it will ask me to provide my full name. So here I am sharing my full name as a test user. Here I sent. Then it will ask me for my contact number. So here I am sharing my test contact number. Then it will respond to me like this, that thank you for sharing your details. Here's a summary of your order, mentioning the product as laptop that I selected from the list, including my name that I gave as test user and the number. Also one message, that is would you like to proceed with this order, including two buttons, that is yes confirm order or no change product. Here I want to confirm this order, so I am clicking on this yes confirm order. Then it will respond to me like this. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your retail store business, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. Now let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of users. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect or Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how to connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created one separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders by clicking on this plus option, in where you have to provide the name to your folder. Also, you have to choose the parent folder. While in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want a detailed video of explaining all these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flow option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of this flow builder without requiring any coding or programming skills. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of creating your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to provide the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate product inquiry for retail stores via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contacts per date is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I write as product inquiry. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword as product. Here I added only two. You can add multiple. After that, whenever my user will send any of the keyword to my WhatsApp business account of retail store, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them. For that, I am taking one text button, drag this box here. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my first message as welcome to Spark Retail Store. How can I assist you with product inquiries for today? Here you can see I write this Spark Retail Store in asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this store name will deliver to my user's WhatsApp account in the bold format. After that, now I am adding two quick buttons for my user. For that, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am writing my first button as browse products and the second button I'll write as pricing details. After that, now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to this welcome message. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now in the next, when my user will select this proud products button, then my bot will reply to them while providing them the categories of the product that are available in my retail store. For that, I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer. In this case, I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this blank and directly entering the body. Now I want to add the category of the product. For that, I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to provide the section title as products category. After that, now I am going to add the types of category. For that, I am clicking on this plus add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I am writing the first product category in this enter title box. Here I write that is electronics. After that, now I am adding one more. Here I added only two categories here. You can add multiple. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of browse products to this message where it is connected. Now let's assume my user wants to purchase some some electronics product from my store, then they will select this electronics, then my bot will reply to them. For that I am again taking one list button, drag this box here where I am going to write one message in this enter body box, that is, here are the electronics product details, which one would you like to order. Now after that I am adding the electronics product. For that I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as electronic products. After that I am adding the electronic products. For that I am clicking on this plus add items button. Here I am adding 2. The process of adding would be the same. Here I added, that is smartphone and the laptop. Also write the price of the device in the description box. Now I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now here I set this for electronics. Now for the another one, that is clothing. For that I am again taking one list button and doing the same process that we have done here. Here I added, that is, here are the clothing products. Which one would you like to order? Where I provide the section title as clothing products. Here I am adding the types of clothing products, that is slim fit cotton shirt and the classic white sneaker. Here I added only 2 as an example. You can add many as you want. After that I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Here I set the list for both of the categories separately. After that, now when my user will select the product type, that is smartphone or the clothing products, then my bot will reply to them. But at first I am going to set one custom field. For that I am clicking on this action option and take button as set custom field. I'll drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as product type. After that, in this enter value box I am going to write the smartphone. Here I set this field not specifically for the smartphone. That's why I write the smartphone in this enter value box. Now I'll show you where you can create this contact custom field and why we use the contact custom field in the creation of our flow. But before that, at first you have to save your flow. If you won't save your flow, then you can lost all of your progress. So you have to make sure that whenever you switch any new tab, at first your flow will be saved. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on this setting option and go in this contact custom field option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, tags, countries, products, etc. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more fields. When you click on it, it will provide you one box where you have to provide the field name and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one field by the name of product type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I selected the contact custom field as product type. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Now I am setting the contact custom field tag for all of these products, that is laptop, shirt and the sneakers. So for that I am again taking set custom field button. I'll drag this boxes here. Here I selected all the contact custom field nodes. After that, in this I am going to select the contact custom field as product type because the field would be the same. You have to only change the value. So in this enter value box I am writing as laptop. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Then for the next, here we have to set the custom field for the slim fit cotton shirt. So for that I am selecting the contact custom field as product type. After that, in this enter value box I am going to write the same, that is slim fit cotton shirt. Now for the last one also I am going to do the same, that is contact custom field as product type and the enter value is the classic white sneaker. After that I am connecting this circle to this message, this circle to this. Here I set 4 custom fields not, but the contact custom field I use the same because with the help of this contact custom field, at the last it will help my bot to provide the customized message to my user based on their selected requirements. After that, now whenever my user will select the product type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that I am taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a message as please share your name so I can place the order for you. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. You can increase this if you want to. After that, if you want to write any validation message for your user, then you can write in this box. After that I am connecting all the 4 circle of the set custom field not to this message because whenever my user will select the product type, then my bot will ask them to provide their full name. After that my bot will ask them to share their contact number for placing the order. For that I am again taking one ask a question button where I am I'm going to write my message as, and could you please share your phone number so we can confirm your order. For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I'll select as any. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now, after all these steps, at last, my bot will ask them to confirmation of the order. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I'm writing my message as, thank you for sharing your details. Here's a summary of your order. Here you can see I use this dollar symbol before the product type, full name and the contact number because this symbol make data dynamic, as whenever your user will select the product type from this list, then with the help of this contact custom field node, automatically my bot will capture their response and mention the product type in this place. Based on the user selected type, also reply them by mentioning their full name and the contact number. So now you will better understand why we use the contact custom field here. Now after that, I'm adding two more quick buttons in this. For that, I'm clicking on this plus add button 2 times. Here I added that is yes confirm order or no change the product. After that, whenever my user want to confirm their order, then they will click on this yes confirm order button. Then my bot will reply to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will again provide me one enter message box where I'm going to write my respond message. Here I write. After that, for the next button, I am going to connect this circle to this product category message so that whenever my user will click on this no change product button, then again my bot will provide them the product category list. Now next one is the pricing details. If my user will select on this pricing details button, then my bot will reply to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text button. It will again provide me one enter message box where I'm going to write the pricing details of the product type that are available in my retail store. Here I added for pricing details. To check the latest prices of our product, please visit the link below. Also mention the link. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate product inquiry for retail stores via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically reply to your users like this. Share them the products category that are available in your retail store. Also ask the name of the user, their contact number and provide them the customized message at the last. You can also share this bot with your friends. For that, you have to go in this flow option where you have to click on this 3 dots and click on this share flow button. It will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share the link with anyone. But make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, tags, catalogs and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately and templates must be created and approved by Meta. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This bot will reply to your users 24/7 without you doing any manual efforts. And the best part is this bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.